Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So as many of you were requesting me, sending me DMs related to make a video on speed test of the Jio Fiber, and so here we are. Without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to do the speed test on speedtest.net, and we have connected to Jio Kolkata server. Let's see. Okay, so I'm running the test plan or the demo plan, which comes free with 1 month of validity, and I'm getting around 140 to 142 Mbps, and the upload is also above 100, which was earlier very low before the new plans came out. So I have connected the Jio router to my PC via Cat5e cable, which was included with the box. And these are the speed results on speedtest.net. Now we are going to check with fast.com, and I'm getting around 130 140 of speed on fast.com. Okay, so now I have switched to my phone to check speed on Wi-Fi. I am first connecting to the 2.4 GHz band, and let's see what speed we get over 2.4 GHz. Okay, so the 2.4 GHz band provide lower speed at higher range, and the 5 GHz band provides higher speed at lower range. That is the main difference between these two. As you can see, we got download speed of around 54 Mbps and the upload is around 90. Okay, let's see what we get when we connect to the 5 GHz band. As you can see, I have connected to the 5 GHz band. Now let me just quickly switch to the Kolkata server, and let's see what speeds we get at the 5 GHz band. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting above 100 Mbps of speed. And the download is also above 100 Mbps, so definitely there is difference between these two bands. Okay guys, that's all for this video, and this was just a short video to show the speed test results, and stay tuned for some more awesome content which is coming soon.